Hello students, I just received a call asked me to revise how to find the z-score if given the area of the bell shape. Okay, so let's say the area was given 0.35 and you are asking to find the probability for z more than k. So for this one, you don't have to find inverse. The answer is just 0.35 because the question asking for probability. But if the question asks for k, what is the value of k? Then you have to use your Buku sifir. Now you look for 0.35. This is a probability value, or the small number inside here are probability value. So we are going to find 0.35. Where is it? It's so small, so you can print out and use it. I don't think you can find the value using your telegram, right? So please print out and you need to use it maybe, so you can chonting, or you can use your z-score paper and then you can draw the line and find the value. So I can zoom to 0.3520. So I just use a 0.3520, the nearest one. So I'm going to do some adjustment. So if you can't find the exact 0.35, you find the nearest one, which is 0.3520, but you need to minus out the balance of 20. The 20 is actually equivalent to 19, right? Can you see that? 19. Okay, I'm going to show you 0.3520. The z-score is, you have to use a ruler, alright, draw the 0.3520, okay, and then you read out the z-score. Let's do a simple table. 0.3520 is a probability. So if you read from the Buku sifir, you will get 0.38, right? 0.38 for the z-score, and then you need to minus out 0.020. 0.02 means 0.020, which is actually 20. No, it's not 4, it's 20. You should read to 4 decimal places. So the 20 is equivalent to 0.005. Alright, you need to know that it's 3 decimal places. So when you minus out 0.0020, you have to plus with a 0.005 for the z-score. So hence you can find the probability for 0.350 is equivalent to 0.385. Alright, so that means the z-score is 0.385. So if you want to label the z-score there, it's positive, right? It's positive 0.385. Alright, that is how we use a Buku sifir to find the z-score if given the area of the bell shape. So remember that you need to aware that the question is asking you for probability or z-score. If I'm asking you to find this one, it will be negative 0.385 for the z-score to the left. If I'm asking you to find the area in green color, meaning that I'm asking for the probability from negative 0.385 to positive 0.385, and actually the area is just 1 minus out 0.35 minus out 0.35, so it's actually equal to 1 minus 0.35 times 2, or you can write as 1 minus 0.7, right? So the answer will be 0.3. So the question is asking for probability. Probability is equivalent to the area of the bell shape. Total area of the bell shape is equal to 1. right? Total area of the bell shape is equal to 1. So meaning that if probability for z less than negative 0.385 is symmetrical, so it should be 0.35. Probability always positive, right? Okay, and then if I'm asking you to find the probability for z more than 0.385, of course it will be the same because it is symmetrical. It is 0.35, right? So total area for one whole bell is actually equivalent to 1. So if we add up all the probability, we'll get exactly 1. 0.35 plus 0.35 plus 0.3 will get 1. In short, if the area of the bell shape is given, we need to find the z-score using either you can use a Buku sifir or you can use a calculator, but you must use inverse. Alright, for the new calculator. So I'm going to show you how to use a calculator right now. For your information, only the new class week calculator can be used to find the inverse. So if you have this calculator, you can choose to use calculator to find the answer. You don't have to use a Buku sifir. Okay guys, today I will revise with you how to find the z-score if the area given. If the area given, you want to find back the z-score we call as inverse. If this side, your z-score will be negative. If right hand side, your z-score will be positive. Now, how to press the calculator? If you are using FX570EX, you don't have to use Buku sifir. You go to 7, right? Go to 7. You must choose the inverse, okay? Inverse normal, right? Then the area you key in 0.35. And for your information, your this calculator is skewed to the left, right? So you'll get the answer negative 0.385 to 0.438. So you must always remember that this calculator is always skewed to the left, right? So your answer will be negative if it is skewed to the left. So if you want this area, you can press your calculator as 1 minus 0.35. You get a positive. Let's say I am going to get the right hand side one. What I need to do is I need to find the area, which is 1 minus 0.35. So I will get positive 0.385, meaning that here will be positive 0.385 because I am finding the area which is skewed to the left from here to here to here, because this calculator, the area is skewed to the left. So if you want this one, you must find this area, you'll get positive. If you press 0.35, you get negative 0.385. So you must understand how your calculator function, right? So that's all my sharing for how to use calculator to find the inverse z-score.